Hello, hello, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So I'm super excited about this today. I have decided that I'm going to add another service along with nails. I thought lashes might be something fun. So they're just lash extensions. That's all I'm going to do. It's not going to be lash tints or lifts or brows or anything like that, just lash extensions. So I went ahead and I ordered from Hoka Lash their course, their kit for the course. So I'm gonna unbox this right now and see what all's in here. And I'm gonna ask you now to forgive me for my voice. I I have allergies and they're kicking my butt. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna unbox this and show you what's in it, and we'll see together what there is. So yeah, here we go. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've opened up the box, and first thing I saw was the mannequin head, and I'm impressed. This is I thought it was a lot flatter when I saw the pictures of it and whatnot. I've gone ahead and I've opened this up a little bit, just to show you what all comes in it. So this is the primer, mannequin lash primer. So I'm assuming this can't be used on anybody, and that's fine. I have not even done anything on an actual person because the lashes I only put on myself. So anyways, I'm going to do this course. These I'm assuming, okay, I want to say lash glue, and I could be wrong. So go ahead and correct me. Anybody that's done this, go ahead and feel free to correct me. These are the lashes that I believe I put on the mannequin. So these would be like what would be on the client, and then I would go ahead and put the lashes that came in the kit. So it looks like there's two. So there's easy fan lashes, excuse me, and then these are just lashes, I guess. So I have a lot to learn. Again, this is just kind of an unboxing to show you what comes in the kit. This is a gel lash remover. Some of the stuff I'm just leaving in the little baggies. It's just easier that way. I'm not sure if these go with the white ones that I just took out. They look like they would hold the glue maybe. Okay, some more tape. Can never have enough of that apparently. I have watched a lot of videos. I've purchased a couple books. I like to be able to sit down and read without having to really have it on the internet and whatnot. This little mirror here, so when you have your client and her head is facing this direction, you can take this to look at the lashes. I'm going to get one a little bigger than this one though. I mean, this is cute, but yeah, something bigger. Okay, this is a little fan, and it comes with, well, I had it a minute ago. It comes with a charger. So I need to charge this up because I don't, yeah, this doesn't turn on right now, and that's okay. So I'll get that charged. So there's more tape. Okay, it comes with a training card. There's a kit. So I was kind of silly, and I ordered this training course, and I didn't realize that this training course included pretty much everything. And I made the mistake, and I ordered a master class course to go with this. If I can get this down, then I was going to do that. Well, it's all included in this, and so everything, the course is online and everything for me to read and whatnot. But they took care of all that for me when I contacted them and said I made a mistake and ordered something I shouldn't have. But anyways, customer service was amazing, and I haven't even started anything with them, but they took care of it and everything's great. So I'm just going to throw that out there that they get right back to you. These, I believe, are for the lash glue, and I'm hoping I said lash glue earlier. If I said nail glue, I didn't mean to say nail. Lash glue. And then it comes with a whole bunch of, again, I don't know if that's for the primer. It comes with a bunch of different things. These little scissors, I took them out of their little bag already. Okay, comes with stickers. And I believe, and I could be wrong, I think these go on here. So when you put your lash glue on, And then you have your lashes all set up for your client. You're good to go. Okay, little eye patches, they go underneath right here. And I'm hoping these are like hydrating. That would be lovely. Okay, some little like mascara brushes, lash brushes is what I should say. Okay. So it comes with quite a bit of the supplies that you're going to need. Okay, so this is extension glue. All right. I'm also learning that with this, it has to be a certain temperature and humidity in the room. Okay, comes with tweezers because you need 2 sets to do the extensions. And that's it. So all of this came in the kit so I can practice, and I'm super excited. But anyways, I just thought I would make a cute little, not cute, I'm hitting her nose, a video of an unboxing just showing you what comes in the Hoka Lash. And then, yeah, I'll try to keep everybody updated on how this goes. And I'm hoping it goes well because I'm super excited for it. But anyways, thank you for watching. And if this was a video that you enjoyed, please like, share, comment, subscribe. And if you've got any tips or tricks or anything in regards to doing these lashes, let me know because I'm eager to learn. And I will be talking to you guys again soon. And hopefully my head will be a lot more clear and allergies will be done. So cheers.